For years, the PGA Tour and birds learned to live with one another. But years of negligence and ridicule have pushed birds to the brink. Too many feathers have been ruffled, and now it's time for mutiny.
Oh, a little bit of a bird sort of flew right through his backswing there. That was the strangest thing.
Check this out. See, the bird comes right at him. Look out. All sorts of troubles out here.
I believe that's the ball of Steve Lowry. We've got it. We have liftoff. Oh, no.
The birds, coming this Halloween to a tournament near you.